Hello and welcome to today's tips and tricks. We're going to be looking at how to use an annotation dimension to drive the angle between two walls of a part without modifying the rest of the part. So here I am setting up the annotation dimension, and you can see the angle between those parts is about 100 degrees. Let's say I want to make it 90 degrees. I can do so by selecting on the face in the Move tool and then picking an axis to rotate around. That'll bring up a little spark icon which signifies a driving dimension. Selecting that icon allows me to enter in the dimension I want and change the angle between the two walls. If I instead would like to change this dimension based on the point where those two walls would intersect, I can Shift-Alt-Select the edges of these walls to create temporary datums. I can then move my Move tool to that intersection point and define that driving dimension from that axis. Thank you for watching today's tips and tricks.